Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Steve, Travelling Irishman. So, my last day in Sofia. I'm going to head into the town for a while, have a look around the city centre, and then off to the airport. We'll have to be early today because Ryanair have said come early, 3 hours early. But I've 2 or 3 hours in the city centre and do a wee bit of videoing and take it from there. "14 kilometres to the centre and then about the same later on to the airport." Now so far, in my 2 times that I've been in Sofia, other than the area where the dental clinic is, this is pretty much what Sofia looks like everywhere I've been, which is very like most of the cities in this part of Europe. Yeah, and I suspect the city centre will be a lot different. You can definitely see the Russian influence here. That 14 kilometre taxi journey only cost me €7. What a way to live, poor woman. And suddenly, everything is immaculate. Now, I'm heading for a pedestrian area that one of my subscribers said was very popular. In fact, she called it the most beautiful street in the centre. One of these days I'll have to hire one of these places. This is wonderful, great atmosphere, and I've suddenly got a strong notion for a coffee. It's like being in a different city. Coffee time! I'm a people watcher. I love this sort of atmosphere. Just sitting, chilling, the coffee, watch the world go by. Those birds, they're doing a dance around this piece of food. None of them are eating it. Wonder what that's about. It's a tube station. Sofia is very easy to get around. Very large underground. And taxis, as I've said, are very, very cheap. And well organised. You know, there's a couple of apps. I use an app called Yellow, and you don't have to tell them where you are. It knows where you are. So, and I've had no real problems with it at all. Very good. Now, I've said in other videos, I'm not a city person, but now that I've get into the centre of Sofia, it's wonderful. It's a lovely atmosphere. Everybody's smiling and happy. It's a lovely temperature. It's sunny. Really good vibe. Still a lot of people look at me walking about with a camera and talking into it. Takes a bit of getting used to. You know, some people who start YouTube and can't do it. I thought I may be one of them, but I wasn't. No problem, I don't know anyone. They might think I'm a nut, but they'll forget about me in about a second. I'll have to start thinking of heading to the airport shortly. Almost time to go. I'm only one street further along than the beautiful street. It's quite strange in that way. So I'm going to head back down towards the beautiful street. Better vibe. So that was Sofia. I'm going to order a taxi and head to the airport. I'm not going to bore you with the airport again, but I've been doing a lot of thinking because I've been in the apartment. I've been doing a lot of video and thinking about my plans and what I'm going to do. My next step, I definitely know. As soon as I sell the van, or maybe before, I'm going to buy a car, and me and the dogs, we're going to drive to Spain and we're going to take it from there. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, look, hit the wee subscribe button, go on, wee push, it takes a second. And don't forget, if you are subscribed, to hit the bell icon, because that'll tell you when the new videos come out. But I'm going to leave it off there. So from Sofia, be happy, and until next time, bye for now. Oh, and one last thing. I am definitely overdue a hassle-free journey home. Here's hoping.